Recently, the DOH, or the Department of Health, released a study showing the HIV cases in the Philippines shot up to 500%. And what's alarming is this: most cases are young people. The youngest is about 12 years old. The average age is around 15 to 22 years old. Our government has presented so many preventive measures like RH law, sex education, free birth control pills, and contraceptives sa mga health centers. But still, nothing happened. Kahit nga sa mga clinics ng mga universities, the DOH is giving these pills to students, but still, HIV cases are still rising. Is it safe to say that these preventive measures are not effective? Or are the teachings of our Catholic Church about sexual morality again to blame? Our Catholic Church believes that insufficient contraception is not the problem. People are saying na kailangan natin yung mga contraceptives na to for us to have safe sex. But the question is, when does sex become unsafe? Only when it is not done in the right context, outside the context of marriage. When God created sex, wala namang kasamang HIV at STD. It's just an effect of irresponsible sexual behavior. Anything that is against the natural law is unsafe. Isa sa mga primary cause ng HIV is having multiple partners. And when we dig deep into those studies, we will see na majority ng HIV patients have experienced a man-to-man sexual intercourse. So, ang problema ay hindi dahil kulang yung condom or contraceptives, but it is the lack of moral foundation. What these young people need is to know more about the beauty of chastity and how it can help us to find true love. Chastity is the safest way. Condoms and contraceptives will always and will eventually fail, but choosing chastity and a life of purity never will. The church never taught young people to have sex with anyone and anybody. But how come the church is the one to blame? Ang problema ay hindi kung effective pa ba yung chastity nowadays. But the problem is, it's too difficult for many people to do it. That's why we don't even attempt to choose chastity. But by the grace of God, we can be masters of our sexual desires. Kaya nating kontrolin yung sarili natin at huwag magpadala sa kung ano lang yung nararamdaman natin. We are called to control these desires. We have self-control. Kaya mong kontrolin yung sarili mo at piliin yung makakabuti para sa'yo. Chastity over contraception, because chastity saves us from HIV. And that's the truth.